Remember the early 2000s?
Insiders are making billions in high-frequency trading.
Is now down 21%.
Wall Street was rocked by high-frequency trading scandals. Chaos everywhere. A handful of malicious, privileged traders gained an edge. They had faster cables and exclusive access to how people were trading back then. And they used this information to front-run everyday investors, making billions. And all of this was legal until it wasn't. Compare that to Ethereum today, and things feel eerily similar. Right now, when you submit a transaction to Ethereum, it sits in this completely transparent waiting room called a public mempool. And here, everyone, including malicious MEV bots, can see what users are doing before their trade gets confirmed. As a result, everyday users can get sandwich attacked, front run, and their transactions censored. The solution that many experts swear by are encrypted mempools. It's one of the few foolproof ways to stop malicious MEV and real-time censorship. So that begs the question, what the fuck is an encrypted mempool? And why should you care? Remember the public waiting area for Ethereum transactions we talked about earlier? Essentially, the public mempool. Well, an encrypted mempool essentially flips the concept of the public mempool on its head, going from fully exposed to temporarily encrypted. Here's how it works. When a user creates a transaction, it's encrypted with the help of a group of independent parties called keepers. The transaction still goes into the public mempool, but now it's encrypted. Attackers can't see the contents of the encrypted transaction, making it nearly impossible to front-run or disrupt the transaction. Not even insiders, people like validators, builders, relays, and proposers can read its contents. Once the transaction is confirmed in the block, the keepers generate the decryption key for the transaction. The transaction then gets decrypted and is processed as normal. No single keeper can act alone. A threshold of keepers must agree to decrypt each transaction. This system aims to prevent keepers from colluding to leak transaction contents early. By the time a transaction becomes visible, it's already locked into the chain and too late to be exploited. This design gives us the best of both worlds. It blocks malicious MEV like sandwich attacks and front running and reduces real-time censorship, all while allowing beneficial MEV, things like arbitrage and liquidations. This way, users stay protected and the market stays healthy. Look, encrypted mempools aren't just theory anymore. Shutter has been running an encrypted mempool live on Gnosis Chain since July 2024. And that's with real users and real transactions. They've also been tested with OP stack rollups. Now research is making encrypted mempools faster, more streamlined, and ready to run at scale. And because Ethereum mempools are tech agnostic, multiple encryption and decryption providers can run in parallel, competing and innovating to deliver the best service for every use case. Here's the thing, there are a patchwork of so-called solutions out there, but none that try to address the root problem behind malicious MEV. Most of these solutions are also centralized, which means you're putting your faith in third parties and hoping they'll protect your transactions. And other solutions put the responsibility on users to take action. Users shouldn't have to tweak wallet settings or use special dexes just to be safe. And even then, these solutions don't touch the other threat, real-time censorship. That's why we need a solution at the protocol level, one that protects users automatically. Users need a zero-click solution. And with ePBS and Fossil on Ethereum's roadmap, there's no better time to talk about adding encrypted mempools, completing what we call the holy trinity of censorship resistance. It's high time we implement encrypted mempools.